And when it comes to sex, many things around menopause can lead to bleeding problems. Let's look at 3 of them. Number 1, no desire for sex, possibly due to culture, a busy life around family, work, stress, and so on. This can happen as a woman grows older or approaches the age of menopause. Some women believe they cannot have sex or even enjoy it as they grow older. It may be a cultural thing where a woman has been conditioned to believe as she's grown older and dried up, she cannot enjoy sex. That mindset might also come from pressure at work or business, and being a busy family member, caregiver, or supporting the family, and so there is no time or little time for sex. A woman can also have a reduced sex drive or desire for sex, and this can be as a result of conditions like depression or low mood. Of course, mental health issues can happen at any age and are not necessarily associated with menopause alone. Whatever the cause is, this lack of a desire for sex can affect your sexual encounters. Women who desire to have sex become aroused during foreplay, and this builds during intercourse. From arousal, your body makes lubricating fluids which moisten or wet the vagina, making intercourse easier and more enjoyable. If this is absent, the friction that happens during sexual intercourse can lead to bleeding during or after sex. And number 2, the effect of reducing hormones in the body like estrogen. Here is another factor that affects the vagina as well. Estrogen is the hormone that keeps the cells of the vagina, the tissues of the vagina, plump and healthy. As estrogen reduces during menopause, the cells of the vagina become thin or they shrink. Essentially, this means that the vagina itself becomes drier and thinner or can shrink. This condition is known as atrophic vaginitis. It makes having sex painful and can lead to bleeding during or after intercourse. To learn more about these and related conditions, check out this video here on 15 causes of painful vaginal sex. And number 3, the risk of specific health problems as a woman grows older. This means that conditions like cervical, womb, or vulval cancer become more common as a woman grows older. The changes in the health of the tissues or the cells as the cancer develops makes bleeding after intercourse or sex one of the symptoms of these cancers.